Imagine waking up one day and realizing that almost every industry around you has changed because of AI. Not just IT, not just software companies, but hospitals, factories, banks, power plants, schools, transportations, consulting, retail, agriculture, and even government systems. Now, here's the shocking part. According to recent reports highlighted in Business Standard, AI could add nearly 48 lakh crore to India's economy by 2030. But India may need around 35 crore AI skilled professionals to support this transformation. And most companies are still not fully ready. So this is not just a technology story anymore. This is a business revolution, a career revolution, and possibly the biggest economic transformation of our generation. Welcome back to this channel. If you are interested in business analysis, AI analytics, consulting, strategy, future careers, and how industries are changing globally, this channel is for you. Today, we are going to deeply understand how AI will impact almost every sector in India, which careers may grow the fastest, which skills may become essential, and why this transformation is much bigger than the most people realize. And trust me, by the end of this video, you may start looking at your career very differently. Every few decades, the world experiences a major transformation. The Industrial Revolution changed manufacturing, the internet changed communication, smartphone changed daily life, and now AI is changing decision making itself. That's why this shift is different. AI is not just automating physical work, it is automating repetitive thinking, repetitive analysis, reporting, repetitive documentation, and repetitive workflows. And this impacts almost every industry. But here's something important most people misunderstand. AI is not simply replacing humans. Instead, it is changing the type of value humans need to provide. In the future, companies may value critical thinking, business understanding, problem solving, creativity, decision making, and communication more than ever before. Because when everyone has access to AI tools, the biggest differentiator becomes human intelligence combined with AI. Let's begin with the obvious one, IT. Software development is already changing through AI assisted coding, automation, testing, debugging, and faster product development. But interestingly, AI may not eliminate software jobs completely. Instead, developers who understand AI may become significantly more productive than those who don't. The nature of work changes, the expectations increase. Now let's talk about consulting and business strategy. This sector may experience massive transformation. Why? Because AI can analyze huge amounts of market data, customer behavior, operational inefficiencies, financial trends, and business performance faster than humans. But companies will still need professionals who can interpret insights, make strategic decisions, communicate with stakeholders, and implement change. That's why business analysts, consultants, operations strategists, and decision intelligence professionals may become extremely valuable. Healthcare could completely transform because of AI. AI systems may assist doctors in early disease detection, medical imaging analysis, patient monitoring, drug discovery, and personalized treatment recommendations. But healthcare is not just about diagnosis. Human empathy, ethical judgment, communication, and patient trust will still matter enormously. So, AI may enhance doctors, not simply replace them. Even traditional industries like power and renewable energy are already seeing AI adoption. And this is very important because many people think AI only affects tech companies. In reality, AI may optimize power generation, forecasting, grid management, predictive maintenance, energy efficiency, load balancing, and operational safety. Hydro plants, solar plants, wind farms, and smart grids may increasingly depend on data driven intelligence system. This creates opportunities for professionals who understand both operations and analytics. In banking and finance, AI may revolutionize fraud detection, credit scoring, risk management, customer service, investment analysis, and financial forecasting. Banks may become faster, smarter, and more personalized. But again, human oversight, regulatory understanding, and business judgment remain critical. Retail companies are using AI to predict customer behavior, personalize recommendations, optimize inventory, and improve supply chains. When you see Amazon recommendations when pricing changes dynamically, when companies predict what customers may buy next, AI is already working behind the scenes. Education itself may completely evolve. AI tutors, personalized learning systems, skill based education models, and adaptive training programs may become normal. The future may shift from memorization toward problem solving, adaptability, and practical applications. Even agriculture may transform through AI. Smart irrigation systems, crop monitoring, weather prediction, soil analysis, and yield optimization can improve farming productivity dramatically. This shows how AI is not just an urban technology story. It may affect the entire economy. Now here comes the biggest challenge. Technology is growing faster than skills. Many companies want AI transformation, but they lack trained professionals. Clean data systems, business strategy, digital infrastructure, and implementation capabilities. And this may create one of the biggest talent opportunity in modern history. Because organizations may desperately need professionals who can bridge the gap between technology and business. That includes business analysts, data analysts, AI consultants, operations professionals, project managers, process experts, and strategic decision makers. So, if AI is transforming everything, what skills should people actually focus on? First, analytical thinking. Second, communication. Third, business understanding. Fourth, AI awareness and digital adaptability. Fifth, problem solving. And finally, continuous learning. Because in the AI era, static careers may become extremely risky. The professionals who keep evolving may become the leaders of the future. AI is not just another trend, it may become one of the most important economic and industrial transformations of our lifetime. And India stands at a very important moment right now. The opportunity is massive, but the competition will also become massive. Some people will ignore this shift completely, some people will fear it, and some people will prepare for it. The people who combine technology, business understanding, analytics, strategy, communication, and adaptability may become the professionals who shape the next decade. So, now I want to ask you something. Which industry do you think AI will impact the most in the next 10 years? Comment below. And if you want more deep insights on AI, business analysis, analytics, consulting, operations, strategy, and future careers, subscribe to the channel because this transformation is only getting started.